connecting an AI agent to one MCP tool can be easy. Connecting it to everything your business runs on is another story. At Apollo, we're helping teams do just that. You see, MCP standardizes the connection between an agent on one side and your systems on the other. One tool, like one plug. But behind the socket that plug sits into, something more complex is taking place. Like the grid pulling energy from multiple sources, your data doesn't live in just one place. It's user services, product catalogs, inventory, third-party SaaS, each with its own auth model and its own shape. Connecting an agent to all of it safely at real enterprise scale is where most teams get stuck. If you run Apollo GraphOS, you've already built the grid and solved this. Your graph orchestrates every source behind one typed, self-describing, discoverable interface. The security, auth, and observability you've already configured apply to agents the same way they apply to any other client. The agent reaches your data through a layer that already knows who's allowed to see what, and then logs what happens. Under the hood, it runs on GraphQL, so your GraphQL operations become MCP tools. Each is described so the agents can know when it's the right one for the job. A few lines of config point the server at those operations. Because the agent in chain calls, it handles multi-step workflows across your whole graph. Ask a question in plain language, the agent finds the right tools, your graph executes them, any typed predictable response comes back. No guesswork. You decide exactly what the agent can touch with an approved list of these operations. The agent only calls what you've sanctioned. Powerful agents working predictably. Try the quick start to discover how Apollo MCP Server can connect agents to your real-world infrastructure quickly and securely.